Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to Career Development Institute, ACADI Cameroon. And welcome to Community Health and Nutrition General Course Introduction. Welcome you once again to CaDI Community Health and Nutrition Hub. Here's a Career Development Institute, a Professional Diploma Program of ACADI Cameroon, a national organization with vision, developing potentials, improving livelihood. CaDI offers competency-based training and volunteerism promotion for youth employment and entrepreneurship development. To partner, sponsor, or volunteer at ACADI, contact us using the number below and the address. Course presentation. This professional diploma program offers an opportunity for trainees to develop hands-on skills in community health and nutrition. The course is designed for all persons with passion for community welfare improvement and the promotion of healthy living. The interest of this course is to define health and nutrition, understand issue of health and nutrition in development work, introduce health and nutritional systems, use health and development models. The structure of the course. This course includes 8 modules, in averagely 2 sessions per module. Most of the academic jargons in the course have been simplified for the understanding of all. The CaDI Professional Diploma is different from popular academic certificate or secular academic certificate. It certifies the proficiency of trainees in the domain of expertise. The course outline will look at Introduction to Health, Community Health Education and Primary Health Care, Dietetics and Nutrition 1, Dietetics and Nutrition 2, Community Health and Nutrition Project Proposal, Social Epidemiology, Community Health and Sustainable Development. Then the course method. The method that will be used in this course is that each candidate will be expected to go through the lectures systematically. Using the videos, audios, and summary PDF lectures will all be available for all trainees. Individual or group study options can be employed. CaDI staff on standby. Then course completion is due 4 months maximum from the beginning of the course right up to the end. Will take a maximum of 4 months. At the end of the course, each trainee is expected to take an exam online, follow up with the CaDI office in case of any challenge, and aside the 8 exams for the 8 modules, each candidate is expected to select a topic, prepare a project proposal, and submit before award of diploma. The individual candidate project should follow the outline provided at the end of the module on proposal writing and should be submitted to the CaDI office in both MS Word and PDF versions, as well as a short MS PowerPoint summary presentation. Payment of all dues is also required. To conclude, a session will be done either online or offline on a case-by-case basis for students to present and their end of course project to a CaDI jury. A final graduation event will be held online, offline. Successful candidates will receive a professional diploma and a course transcript in due course. Thank you very much and God bless you. Stay tuned to other lectures.